My name is Derrick Kellier and I am the candidate for Southern St. James. I'm offering myself once again to represent the people of that noble constituency who are basically rural people. We still have some challenges in the constituency which I want to ensure that are taken care of on behalf of the people. Water supplies, road infrastructure, and the resuscitation of the farming industry, which is the real backbone of the people's economic life. We have suffered a lot through hurricanes and lack of support from the present government to the farmers. And I intend in the next term of office to ensure that the farmers are once again given pride of place and that infrastructure work is taken care of to ensure that commuters are able to go to work, children are able to go to school, and people are able to go about their business. Over the years, my performance speaks for itself. There's tremendous amount of development in the constituency over the last number of years since I've been the representative for the PNP, and I intend to continue to do so. Vote for Derrick Kellier once more, the best choice.